Hi there, students. To trudge, to trudge, to walk slowly and with great effort, maybe over a difficult surface, or because you're depressed, because you're sad, or while carrying something heavy. So, after a very long day's work, I started to drive home, and the car refused to work after about 10 miles. So, I had to trudge home. Yeah, trudging in the rain, walking in the rain slowly, to plod through the snow, to trudge through the snow. Um, he trudged homewards with a depressed scowl on his face. Okay, so to trudge, to walk laboriously in a heavy footed way. You could have it as a noun as well, a trudge, a long, tedious, boring walk when you haven't really got very much energy for it. You're not really excited about doing it. Yeah, so to plod heavily, to plod wearily. Yeah, he trudged through the fields until finally he got where he was going. Yeah, it's got this laborious, difficult, tired walk to tramp. Yeah, we've been trudging through the forest all day, and finally it was time to stop. Yeah, so to plod, to slog, to foot slog, to tramp. Yeah, is we had to trudge all the way back up the hill to find out what was happening. Yeah, I was reluctant to start the long trudge home. Yeah, I trudged through the streets looking for the dog. I trudged up and down. He trudged wearily up the hill. Okay, so to trudge, to walk when you're tired, to walk wearily with slow, heavy steps, to trudge along a route. Yeah, you just keep trudging until you get there. Yeah, you're rather depressed. You're not very happy. Yeah, it's a very long, tiring walk. Let's see, I guess you could trudge through something metaphorically is a task which is difficult and you do it particularly slowly and with a great deal of effort. So I'm still trudging through all that work that I was given to do last week. I'm still trudging through this report. I still haven't finished it yet. I'm still trudging through this pile of applications. So use it metaphorically, yeah, to make heavy weather of doing something. It's difficult, it's hard, yeah, it's not much fun. Yeah, you plow your way through it. Yeah, you walk with heavy steps because you're exhausted or because the conditions are very difficult. Yeah, I finally trudged up the stairs to bed. Yeah, he began the long trudge home. Yeah, a difficult, laborious walk. Yeah, to walk or march steadily but onwards in something that's very long and tiring. Um, Okay, you trudge somewhere, you walk there slowly with heavy steps because you're tired and unhappy, to traipse, to tramp, uh, to plod, to trek, yeah, to drag yourself, to foot slog. Okay, so walk because it's long and tiring. Now, the origin is quite interesting. It's probably of Scandinavian origin. And originally it's from something like to walk using snowshoes. You know these big rackets that look like tennis rackets to walk in the snow? Well, with those you have to trudge because it's quite hard walking with them. so it's probably of a Scandinavian origin. You've got Icelandic, prugga or brugga, a snowshoe, or Norwegian trugga, a snowshoe. Um, Now, formality, to trudge. I had to trudge home. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think use it absolutely anywhere. So that's a bonus. You don't have to work out where it's going. So, to trudge, to walk wearily with slow, heavy steps. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Trudge.